Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Horse Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. 2020 is a great year to begin to focus on the future. While the present is a great time, the future will be even better. Horse Horoscope 2020 predicts that you are likely to begin many large projects that will carry on into future years in 2020. There will be some difficulties in your way, but also many great opportunities as well. Let your instinct be your guide, don't be afraid to be spontaneous. Your optimism and wit will be your strongest allies this Chinese year of the white metal rat. So, make sure to use them well. The wild horse is what you should think of when you think of the Chinese zodiac sign horse, not the domesticated horse. Like wild horses, people born in the year of the horse are energetic people who love to be active, travel and try new things. They also love the idea of love, compassion, and closeness. These people are wise and fun-loving, but they can also be impatient and ever-changing as well. All of these traits are sure to affect the horse person's Chinese horoscope for 2020. 2020 horse predictions for love. Is 2020 lucky for the horse? Your love life is sure to be passionate and exciting this year. You are the one that will need to make the exciting changes in your relationship this year. If you want something from your partner, then you need to let them know directly. Dropping hints might not cut it. If you are currently single, then this is a good year to try to date someone, unlike anyone that you have dated before. If you are single, then obviously the people that you have dated before are not right for you. Finding different kinds of people to date can let you know what you like in a relationship. Or you may get lucky and find the right kind of person. Will the horse get married in 2020? Or will the year of the horse have a baby in 2020? Going on trips with your friends and family can also be a source of joy for you in 2020. There are likely to be changes that are out of your control within your social circle as well this year. Be patient with these changes and things will work out at the end of this Chinese New Year 2020. Horse 2020 career astrology. Horse 2020 prediction shows that this year you are sure to advance in your career one way or another. First, you will need to do something to deserve this upgrade. Work your hardest. Suggest new projects to your superiors that will help you to show off some of your natural talents. You will still have some problems advancing at work if you do not learn how to work with your coworkers better. While this can also help them, this skill can also make you shine at the workplace in the 2020 year of the rat. Once the middle of the year hits, you should have made enough progress to take it easy for a while. Horse 2020 finance. If you have any financial problems, then you should try to solve them before you make any more large purchases. Horse 2020 Chinese horoscope suggests you need to learn how to budget better this year, and it is sure to help you in the future. Year of the horse predictions for health. Horse, you will need to use up a lot of your energy if you want to get things done this year. This means that you need to take care of your body if you want energy to get things done in the first place. Try to exercise a few times a week, eat well, and make sure to get enough sleep. Don't let your body or mind slow down in 2020.